Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I will show you how to enable the option to automatically delete cookies and site data when LibreWolf is closed. This feature helps enhance your privacy by ensuring no browsing data is left behind after you exit the browser. First, open the LibreWolf browser on your computer. Click on the menu button in the top right corner of the browser. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section. You will see an option labeled Delete Cookies and See Data when LibreWolf is closed. Check the box next to this option to enable it. If you want to allow certain sites to retain their cookies, click on the Manage Exceptions button. Here you can add websites that you trust and want to keep logged in. To apply the changes, restart LibreWolf. From now on, every time you close the browser, all cookies and site data will be automatically deleted. That's it for this tutorial. By enabling this feature, you can protect your privacy and ensure that no unnecessary data is stored on your device. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.